We are all aware of the fact that in Windows 10 there is no option for turning off the automatic updates by using the control panel as it used to be on earlier versions, occupying computer resource by downloading updates automatically without users' consent can be irritating sometimes. So today I will show you two methods to disable Windows from downloading updates automatically. First method is by stopping Windows update service. Open the run command and type services.msc and press enter. From the list, find Windows Update. Find Windows Update, here it is, and open it. In the startup type, under General tab, click the option Disabled. Click Apply, then OK. Restart your system. To enable automatic update again, change the startup type to automatic. So this is the first method by stopping Windows update service. Second method will be by using local group policy editor. Please note that the group policy editor is only available for Windows 10 Education Pro and Enterprise users. Open the run command by pressing Windows logo and R keyboard shortcut. Type gpedit.msc and press enter. Navigate to computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows components, and then Windows Update. Find configure automatic update and open it. Here you can see different options to take control and to decide how to download and install them. Select any one of your choice. Click apply, OK. Or instead select disable if you want the liberty to download updates manually. Save the settings and reboot the system. This is the second way. To enable automatic updates, again select, again do the same thing, administrative templates, Windows components, then Windows Update, and open configure. Here select option 3 and save the setting if you want to enable automatic updates again. It is highly recommended not to disable the automatic updates as the computer will not receive any crucial updates, making the system vulnerable to threats.